Now, if you've got a whole lot of files, a whole lot of Excel files or a whole lot of text files, and they all have the same layout or the same schema, what you can do is you can ask Power Query to create a new query which combines the data from all of those files into one single query. So to demonstrate this on the Home tab, I'm asking you to choose the New Source button and go to File, and let's choose the option Folder. So the idea here is you have a specific folder somewhere where all of these files were in there. So I'm going to go for Folder, and I've created a folder. Let me just go find that. Here, Combine Excel Files. There's three Excel files in there that I want to combine into a single table or query. So I open that. Now it does a connection and it looks what's in there, and it tells me there's 3 spreadsheets in there. And so I want to combine and transform. So I click that option there. It does the necessary evaluations and it'll come up with a sample. Here it is here. So I can go and look into Rotorua and preview the January figures for Rotorua, 1450. I can go and look at Taupō and the January figures for Taupō. So you can actually go and look at each of the files if you wanted to that it's going to combine. So I'm just going to go OK and let it combine those files into one query. And so at the bottom of my list of queries, it's processing it. It will eventually come up. Alright, so here it is here, Combine Excel Files. There's my Rotorua results, my Taupō results, my Tauranga results. If I wanted to, of course, I could delete that column saying source name. And you'll find also that there's various helper. So there's a sample there. There's the ability to, we'll look at parameters shortly, but there's also a sample file there. I'm just going to collapse that up, but that naturally appears also when you combine files together. Massive times over.